Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to change only Instagram profile picture without Facebook. To do that, you should go and open Instagram account on your phone. And once you open it, you should click on your profile picture on the bottom right side. And after that, go and click on these three lines on the top right side. And now click on account center. Then now choose shared across profiles and click on any one of these accounts. Then make sure to toggle these options off. And you should also remove this account from your Instagram. So go back again to account center, then click on profiles, click on the account that you want to remove, then click on the account on the bottom right here. And now make sure that you have this option off. And now we can go back and change your profile picture without the need to change your profile picture also in Facebook. So now click on edit profile, click on not now, then go and click on edit picture or avatar and choose to change your picture and choose between library or take a photo. Then you can simply go and change your profile picture without the need to change your Facebook profile picture. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.